In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a one-page website on Wix for free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com and create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After tapping on Create New Site, you will be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After you have selected Set Up Without Chat, you're going to tap on Skip in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting Skip, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can add in your website name. So you could put in your website name right here. So for example, I'm just going to call it Test Page. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Continue. And if you would like to sell products, you can select Sell Products. You can select any one of these options right here. But I'm just going to be selecting Collect Leads. Then I'm going to tap on Continue. And from here, you can add any one of these apps. So for example, if you were planning to sell online, you will tap on Online Store. If you were planning to collect booking, you could select Booking right there. So you can select whichever one of these options best suits you and the goal of your website. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue. Then you will tap on Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, what I want you to do next is tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. After you have selected Design Site, from here you're going to tap where you see Customize a Template. You can tap right there. After you have selected Customize a Template, you're going to tap on Blank Templates from the top right hand corner of the navigation bar. After tapping on Blank Templates, you're going to select Start from Scratch. You're going to tap on Edit. After you have tapped on Edit, you'll be redirected to the Wix Editor page. Once on the Wix Editor page, I'll be showing you how to quickly set up your website. So at the moment, this is how our website looks. It is completely blank. To start adding elements, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you can tap on Add Elements. And for example, you could add heading if you want, you can add text if you want, or so on. So for example, I'm just going to tap on Add a Heading, and you could simply drag and place your heading right there. After you have done that, you can tap on the header section and you can tap on Add Elements. From here, you can choose the header style that you like to use. So you can see the different options right there. You can select a header style. So let's say, for example, I were to select this style, I can tap on it. And at the moment, you can see how it looks right there. After you have done that, you can add in text. So you can add your header right there. Then you could also add another text box by tapping on Add Elements. You could go over to the left-hand menu option. And from there, you can select the paragraph style and you could simply drag and place it right there. If it is a case that you would like to add an image, you can do that. We could go over to the top left-hand corner once more, tap on Add Elements. Then from there, you can select Image and you can select Upload Image. After you have tapped on Upload Image, from here, you could choose to upload an image from your device by tapping on Upload from Computer. Then you can select an image that you would like to use. Let's say this image right here, and we could tap on Open. After you have tapped on Open, you can see the image is being uploaded. Then you'll tap on Add to Page. Now you can drag and place the image into position, and you can also adjust how the image looks. So you can adjust the size of the image as you can see right here. After you have done that, if it is a case that you would like to add a button or anything else to your Wix website, you can do that by tapping on Add Elements once more. For example, if we wanted to add a button, we could do that by hovering over button. Then from there, you could select the type of button that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, this button, we could simply drag and place it right there. So we could place the button there. Then you could tap on link and you could put in the link that you would like to redirect persons to. So whether it is a page on your website or a web address, you could paste it in right there. If you would like to lead them back to a document that they'll be able to download, you can do that, or a phone number. You can also change the background color of this section by simply tapping on the section. You could tap on change background. Then from there you could tap on color and you could change the color. So I can select a different color as you can see right there, or you could add an image to your background. So I'm going to change the color to that option right there. After you have done that, you can tap at the footer section and tap on add elements. Then from here you can decide what you would like to add in your footer section, whether you would like to add a contact form or so on. I'm just going to be adding this contact form for example's sake. Now that I'm finished adding my contact form and I've also set up my website, I'm going to tap on preview in the top right hand corner and you can see how my one pager looks. So this is just a quick example of how to create a one-page website on Wix.